What's going on? Make money online in every single day. I upload a video to teach you how to make money online step by step. In this bad situation, most of the people are losing their jobs due to various types of reasons. But we earn extra cash from any corner of the world for spending our time or manage our life properly. So you can do it. You can earn extra cash by completing any types of data entry job on your mobile phone or on your computer easily. So step by step I want to share about 10 websites to earn extra cash without any types of hesitation or without any types of experience, or on the other hand, if you don't have any capability to spend your money or investing money, you can do this work, data entry job from any corner of the world. So step by step I want to share. Before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of make money online related videos, and please comment below in my comment box. So let's get started. Alright, this one is the phase to start your journey from here. Online data entry jobs from home. Remember, you must have the capability to typing capability for ensuring this work easily from any corner of the world on your computer. Number one is Swagbucks. If you are looking for a work from home data entry job, then you should try out our favorite Swagbucks.com. This one is the pretty cool websites to start your journey, and this one is also trustworthy websites for entry level job or beginner. They are available in the following countries: UK, USA, Australia, Canada, Ireland, Germany, France, and Spain. They are our favorite platform because unlike any other platform in their article, they offer various ways to earn and work from home. The, the common characteristics about this Swagbucks.com data entry job answer service was advertised videos, play sponsored games, use their Yahoo powered search engine, get cash back from your purchases, and move here. And you can earn a handsome amount of money by completing such types of data entry job on Swagbucks.com. Number two is called Clickworker. If you are looking for a remote and flexible data entry job, then you should try out Clickworker. They are constantly looking to hire online data entry specialists or working from home as independent contractors. This is perfect home job to earn extra money. They are not only available in the United States but in every country which has PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, just you can work on clickworker.com. And this one is the several earnings reports I have seen exceeded $5,500 per week and or $11 per hour. Disclaimer: they work more than 8 hours per day. This one is an example you can follow for working on this platform. Next one is Scribby. If you are considering a transcription job, best head of Scribby. This site occasionally offers data entry job from home as well. Companies post audios on the website for freelancers to transcribe. A great thing about this site is that you can listen to the audio before you decide whether to take the job easily from home. So next one is called microworkers.com. This is another excellent online job marketplace. In contrast to flex jobs, microworkers lists tasks that employers need to be completed within a specific time frame. Even though most of these tasks pay modestly, they don't require much time to complete. Basic data entry jobs are among the popular entries of microworkers. Another important thing to note about this site is that the hours you may want to work are not limited. You can work on this platform unlimited for earning extra cash. You can make a few dollars in your spare time with microworkers.com. Next one is SeekTrack. Is perfect for those looking for a legit site with lots of work from home data entry jobs. It caters to all from entry-level workers to highly qualified specialists. The most successful candidates are people who follow the rules strictly, type fast, and operate flexibility. You can work either full or part-time and earn extra money per hour. Thus, if you are looking for a job online, this is something you might want to consider over here, and you can work on this platform. Next one is capitaltyping.com. If you are a transcriber or data entry clerk or a researcher, I suggest you get cozy with this site. Capital Typing, an outsourcing company based in South Carolina, offers a variety of jobs including data entry and uh, clerical positions. It hires freelancers to perform the taxes on behalf of its clients. To work at Capital Typing, contract the company's customer services through its website, request the information you need, and then apply via the employment page. If considered for a data entry job position, you will have to fill out some paperwork and do a Skype interview. So next one is called Brace Creek Communications. If you are a pro in data entry, transcription, or make your market research, Bears Creek Communication will be a great fit for you. The Montana-based company hires freelancers who work in these fields. The independent contractors who sign on are not allowed to subtract. To qualify for a job, you must be U.S. citizen. So mind it, you must be a U.S. citizen. So you can work on this platform. Next one is Dion Data Solutions. Dion Data Solutions offers opportunities to work from home with the comfort at any time, especially when you are a freelancer dealing in data entry. It hires independent contractors to enter data from images provided by the client's. Payment is per the job done. So type 60 words per minute. 60 words per minute. You have to complete this one. So you must increase your typing capability to do such types of data entry job on this particular website or specific websites. So you can earn from this website over here. Next one is FlexJobs. If you are looking for a remote and flexible data entry job, I recommend that FlexJobs. This established platform is among the greatest job sites you will come across. It's ideal for anyone looking to make some extra income from home. So please note there is a free search for access to the job posters for earning data entry job from home. Pick a plan you are comfortable with and start earning from here. Number one is Exia Data Entry Services. This one is final last website, I think. The company hires independent contractors to work for its clients with the jobs mostly involving data entry for images. The main requirements for earning for Exia Data Entry Services is basic knowledge in computer and internet use. So the ability to work instructions and data entry skills. Independent contractors are expected to solve their hardware and software problems, so advanced computer skills would be an advantage. A criminal background check can perform on the applicants, guaranteeing a safe working environment. You can earn extra cash from any corner of this world. So what skills do data entry job and care? This one, number one is good typing skill. Number two is computer skills and software knowledge, basic literacy and numeracy skill, organization abilities, administrative skills, good communication skills, ability to talk politely on the phone, and good customer service skills, self motivations, ability to work independently and in a team. Next one is a responsible attitude to work, attention to detail, ability to do the same tasks for an extended time, good spelling and grammar, knowledge of data and confidentiality matters. So these key points you must follow before starting to earn extra cash from this data entry job easily. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I cordially request to subscribe. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, click the bell button to get all types of notifications. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends. And if you want to get such types of videos, please comment on my comment box over here. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.